Hey gang, so we are 2 weeks out from the show and nobody likes a big unboxing more than I do, with the exception of this one being a mystery unboxing. It's come from Recon Health and Fitness, and I don't know if you guys know, but Recon has put together our entire home gym. We've got a real kick-ass commercial grade gym in our garage with a ton of pieces coming from Recon. They've been absolutely amazing. Holy jeez. Cody, I think there's a good chance that he may have been a drug lord in a different life, because I have no idea what this is. But if it's a kilo of cocaine, you might have to push pause. Holy crap, Cody.
It does look like a kilo of cocaine.
How is... Okay, this might be a longer video than I expected, just because I need something more industrial to get through this. Okay, we're into the orange layer. This is going to be interesting.
Is there a layer under the orange?
It looks like there's enough tape here to wrap about 6 years worth of Christmas presents. I don't know, Cody, do you have like a Colombian background? And Cody, here's a guy, shout out to Cody, one of the owners of Recon Health and Fitness. Guy just had a brand new baby Stevie. So even in his busy day, he's taken the time to send me some sort of mystery. Making progress. Bear with me, because we're not editing this shit, because at 2 weeks out, my brain cannot handle anything more than eating and breathing.
We're gonna call him Cody Escobar from now
Cody
on.
Escobar. Layer number one down.
Okay.
Okay.
Get to it. Let's
Look at
go.
how much tape is on here.
Yep.
Oh, this might be easier. This one's good.
Okay.
Okay. We can see the inner box, folks. All right. All right. Come on.
You're getting close.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Is there a box in the box?
No box in the box. We've got a bunch of fancy Recon. These are heavy duty stickers to put on our machines. They're like a raised texture. They're like a 3D sticker, which is nice.
Oh, those are cool. Those are
Thank
nice.
you very much, Cody. Recon stickers. What else we got in here? We've got resistance bands. We can put those on our equipment. Recon's big on doing the banded resistance on a lot of their equipment. They've got the special little attachments built onto the machine, so you can band just about every exercise. Check out their website. I'm going to put the link below. Mention this video or mention Gazeyfitness and they'll give you a great discount. They ship worldwide and the prices are amazing. Now what do we got here? It looks like ankle cuffs maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Ankle or wrist cuffs with
Nice.
the Recon nice little logo there. Can always use those. You can use those.
Yes.
Adductor, abductor. Do not neglect the innie outies, folks. Very important. Still go. Atta boy.
Oh, wow.
Handles.
Nice. Those are beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice solid rubber.
They look solid.
Very durable. Those are good quality handles. You can feel there's like a good amount of weight to them. And all different types of bands in different sizes and strengths. 31 inch, 41 inch. So you know what I'm going to do? You know why I'm pretty sure he sent me this? For the show, for pumping up backstage at the show.
That makes sense.
So I can
Yep.
hook the handles up to the bands and do the pump up stuff backstage. And then we've got them for our home equipment in any event anyways afterwards.
Very nice.
Because you
of
know
them.
what? I told him a while ago that I was going to order some pump up equipment from Amazon. And good old Cody just takes it upon himself to send out a nice little welcome gift. So there's our opening from Recon Health and Fitness. So right now we're at the 2 week point, exactly today, 2 weeks to go. Thank you for following the journey. Our channel just got monetized. Yahoo! Like, comment, subscribe. Put the link for the recon down below. And thanks for watching. Cheers. Have a good day.